Hey everyone, Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix video is about using drop-down lists or data validation for clean data entry. Let's be honest, messy data makes everything harder. With this quick fix video, I'm going to show you how a simple drop-down list can keep your spreadsheet clean and consistent. Let me show you how to use it. This is a sample file that I would want to send to employees where they could choose what session they want based off of a drop-down list. Why I'm using it this way is because it keeps the data nice and clean, and it allows people to be able to not have to type as much and just be able to select from different drop downs. For the date, they would type in the date, and then for the employee name, I have already created a drop down list of all of the employee names. And then this is built off of the XLOOKUP function that whenever I change the employee name, it changes what department they are in. So I want to take this session choice and I want to make it a drop-down list using data validation based off these options right here. To find data validation, we're going to go to the Data tab. About 3/4 of the way over, it is right here. This window will appear and we can look at settings, input messages, and error alerts. Those are far more advanced things that you could use. Right now, we're just going to look at using the validation criteria of a list. After I choose a list, I'm going to now choose the source, and the source is this information right here. If I select this L6 through L10, I can apply it, and now there is a drop-down list based off that. If I add a new session to this, and I go to choose that from the list, it's not there because this is just a data set. It is not dynamic. It's not changing. The way we can fix that is we can turn this into a table. I'm going to rename it sessions. And then in my dropdown, I'm going to go to data validation. And now instead of those cells as my source, I will choose this table, click OK. And now when I add in and hit enter, it will now appear on my list. We'll add a new entry, pick a new employee, choose a different session. There you go. Now you've got clean data every time. No typos, no duplicates, just smooth entries. Your future self is already thanking you. Use it in your next Excel sheet.